friends, hope you are doing well. Here is one more good news for all of you. We are coming up with 6 days Tally.ERP9 online certification course, which will be organized by the Study Cafe. And the course will be starting from 20th May 2020. And the timing of the course will be 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Friends, you must be knowing that we have completed four series during this lockdown, and we have completed one course on international taxation, one course on Ind AS and IFRS, one course on Microsoft Excel, and just completed one course on Microsoft PowerPoint as well. So after that, we are on the demand of the participants, we are coming up with Tally.ERP9 online certification course. So what are the features of this course? Let's discuss further. The online certification course will be organized by the Study Cafe, and you must be knowing that Tally.ERP9 is the most powerful accounting software used in preparation of the accounts and filing various returns. This online course of Tally.ERP9 illustrates the many new features that will extend its workflow capabilities and functionality. In Tally ERP9, you will begin learning why you should make the switch to the Tally ARB9 from the previous version of Tally software. So now what you will learn in the course, this is the schedule of 6 days course. In the day one, fundamental of Tally, accounting masters, inventory, voucher entry, the advanced accounting, GST in Tally, technology, advantage in Tally ERB9, application management and control, TDS, TCS provisions, how to file GST returns from Tally. So these are all things we will cover in the this course. Who is the faculty? Faculty of this course is the CA Deepak Gupta, who has already taken lectures on Excel and PowerPoint, which has been very much appreciated by all the participants. So we'll be taking the lectures on Tally.ERP9 as well. Who can join the course? Commerce graduate, CA, CS, CMA, law students, tax professional, whether in job or practice, qualified CA, CS, CMA, LLB, semi-qualified CA, CS, CMA, working in CA firms or in industry. All of these professional, any finance professional, anyone who has cleared BCom and just want to learn Tally or finance, that person can also join this course. Language of the course will be of mix of English and Hindi, but it will be mainly on the simple English so that participants from all over India can easily understand the course, and there are many participants from South as well, so that they can also understand the course. It will be in the simple English, which can be understood by the North participants as well as the South participants as well. The course will be starting from 20th May 2020, and it is of the 6 days course, and it will be completed on May 25th, 2020, and the timing will be 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. on the Zoom webinar software. So, what is the duration of this course? The course will be there will be 6 classes of 2.5 hour each, which comprises of more than 50 plus hours of this online Tally certification course. And recording of these lectures will also be available for 30 days, those who register the course. And it will not be on the YouTube. So this course will be available to those participants who will register this course. How certificate will be provided? All the participants who will attend the course will get the certificate, and certificate will be provided on your email IDs, and certificate will be provided after lockdown, so that we can, right now we are working with very limited capacity, and we are not able to issue all the certificates. So all the certificates will be provided post lockdown, and certificates will be sent to your email ID. Only soft copy of the certificates will be given, no hard copy of the certificates will be sent. Fees for the course. There is a very nominal fees, which is of the 500, and this is not the fees. I would say this is our logistic cost, because we need to arrange so many things, and our staffs are also working, and we are required on 6 days during this course. So this is the nominal charges we have kept, and the main reason behind is that those who are the serious participants, those should come to join this course. If you have any queries regarding this course, you can mail it to us, and you can call me on 8860779306. And link to join this course I will give in the description. from the description. You can join this course. And if you have any other queries, you can reach out on this number. And this number is available on the WhatsApp. Just WhatsApp on this number. Again, link I will share in the description. Please join it because we have already got many seats and very soon this is going to close. So take the benefit of this course, and during this lockdown, since you have already taken the benefit of Excel course as well as on the PowerPoint course, so we are trying our level best to bring some new courses, new things which is really relevant for practical world in case of the finance, or I would say the practical world of the chartered accountants and CA students. So take the benefit of this course, and after this course, we will come up with some new courses as well. That announcement we will made in the classes. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Please join this course, and if you have any query, just let us know. Thanks a lot. Hi friends, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get latest updates of all our videos.